Hey guys, this is Pastor Sonia, and I want to invite you to She So Fresh Nights. Let me say it again, She So Fresh Nights. You don't want to miss it. It is the gathering of the month. I mean, like, if you haven't been there, like, what have you been doing? Have you been living under a rock? Like, seriously. You want to come out to She So Fresh Nights. You're going to have an amazing time. We're going to have food. We're going to have some time of fellowship. We're going to do different things, different surprises, maybe some guests. It's going to be an amazing time. And most importantly, there's going to be a word just for you. Don't miss it, ladies. Put on your heels. Most of us retired the heels. Okay, most of us retired the heels after the pandemic. But put on some heels if you feel like it. Put you on some nice clothes. Come on out. Invite your friends, your girlfriends, aunties, grandmas, your mama, whoever you want to invite. Invite another lady with you. We're going to have an amazing time, a refreshing and pouring. You don't want to miss it, ladies. She So Fresh Nights, Friday night. I want to see you there.